morning, dear students. Our topic is vector is going on, and yesterday we did about various types of vector, and these various types of our vectors are, we read that equal vectors. Equal vectors means vectors which have equal magnitude and same direction. Opposite vector, equal magnitude but opposite direction. Coplanar vector means all vectors are in same plane. Collinear vector, vectors are along a same straight line. Null or zero vector, vector which have magnitude 0. Okay, that is null vector. And co-initial vector, the vectors which have same initial point are called initial vectors. I also send the notes of these topics. Okay, next topic is unit vector. It is very important. What is the next type of vector? Is unit vector. By the name unit vector. Name क्या है इसका? Unit. Unit means ऐसा वेक्टर जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड यूनिटी हो 1. The vector which have magnitude 1 is called unit vector. It only shows the direction of any vector. Let us we take example. If there is a vector, okay, a is a vector quantity, and this is the magnitude of this vector quantity. A is a vector quantity, and modulus of a is the magnitude of any vector quantity. Then if we divide a vector by magnitude of a vector, then we got unit vector, and unit vector is represented by cap. In normal vector we use a arrow sign on that vector, but in unit vector we use a cap sign, cap लगाते हैं इसको. Okay dear students, then a cap equal to a vector upon modulus of a vector. Then we can give another definition of unit vector: ratio of a vector and the magnitude of that vector is called unit vector. What is unit vector? Ratio of vector and the magnitude of vector is called unit vector. A vector divided by the modulus of a vector. A vector is divided by modulus of a vector, then it is called unit vector. Let us take an example. Before take example, we show the position of any body or force or momentum in this Cartesian plane. This known as Cartesian plane. It have 3 axes: x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. And z-axis is perpendicular to the plane of board, outward and inward. Z-axis is outward, perpendicular to the plane of board, outward as well as inward. In this direction x-axis is positive, and in this direction x-axis is negative. Upward y-axis is positive, downward y-axis is negative. Z-axis perpendicular outward, perpendicular to the plane of board, z-axis is positive, and downward inward both them inward, perpendicular to the plane of board, z-axis is negative. Unit vector along the x-axis is I cap. Unit vector along y-axis is j cap, and unit vector along z-axis is k. Z-axis. So this is z-axis, perpendicular to the plane of board. It's z-axis. Okay. K. Now I write any vector a vector equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap. This is the vector representation of any vector quantity 2i cap minus 3j cap. Component of this vector quantity in x direction is 2 and in y direction, then that is in negative y direction. Negative y direction, and component is magnitude of that component in negative y direction is 3. How we can plus k cap. In z direction component is 1. Magnitude of component of this vector quantity in z direction is 1. What is magnitude of a vector? देखिए, what is the formula for finding the magnitude of a vector? There is a formula. Coefficient of I cap square plus coefficient of j cap square plus coefficient of k cap square. Coefficient of I cap square plus coefficient of j cap square plus coefficient of k cap square. What is the coefficient of I cap? Then coefficient of I cap is 2 square, or it is plus 2. Then plus sign. Coefficient of j cap square. What is the coefficient of j cap? Here coefficient of j cap is minus 3, so minus 3 square plus coefficient of k cap. What is the coefficient of k cap? Coefficient of k cap is 1, so the 1 square. Then what is, how much is the magnitude of a vector? That is 4 plus 9 plus 1. It becomes 14 under root. It becomes 14 under root. Then 14 under root. Then what is the a cap? A cap is, by the formula, what is a cap? Magnitude mod a vector divided by the modulus of a vector. A vector divided by modulus of a vector. Then it is, a vector is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus k cap divided by under root 14. This is the a cap vector. By this procedure we can find the unit vector of any given vector. But we have to remember that unit vector in x direction is I cap, unit vector in y direction is j cap, and unit vector in z direction is k cap. We have to remember it. Okay. Now, if we have to find the magnitude of this a vector, what is a vector? We can write a vector is 2 upon under root 14 I cap minus 3 upon under root 14 j cap plus k cap upon under root 14. We can write it like that. Now, if you have to find the magnitude of this a cap, क्या आना चाहिए? 1. चेक कर लीजिए आप, 1 मिलेगा आपको. स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस 4 upon 14, स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस j cap प्लस स्क्वायर करेंगे माइनस 3 upon 14 का, इट बिकम्स 9 upon 14. स्क्वायर ऑफ 3 is 9 and square of under root 14. Square of under root 14 equal to 14. So square of 3 upon under root 14 is, it becomes 9 upon minus a, but minus square becomes plus 9 upon 14. Okay, we use this formula. Coefficient square of coefficient of I cap, square of coefficient of j cap, and square of coefficient of k cap. Now, in this unit vector, coefficient of I cap is 2 upon 14, coefficient of j cap is minus 3 upon 14, coefficient of k cap is 1 upon under root 14. So here we don't write this formula again and again. We have to learn this formula and directly we use this formula here. Then what is the coefficient of I cap? Then coefficient of I cap is 2 upon under root 14. Then square of 2 is 4 and square of under root 14 is 14. Like that 9 upon 14 plus 1/14. Now we take LCM of this, that is 14, and 9 plus 13, 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 14, then 1 under root of 1 is 1, then that is. So what is the unit vector? This unit vector is very important. It have magnitude 1. It only shows the direction of any vector. ये किसी वेक्टर का क्या शो करता है? डायरेक्शन को शो करता है. इसका कोई मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं होता है, because we know if we multiply any number with 1, then we got same number. Okay? अब हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें सेम नंबर मिलेगा. तो how we find the unit vector of any given vector? We divide ratio of the vector divided by the magnitude of that vector is called unit vector. And unit vector in x direction is I cap, y direction is j cap, and z direction is k cap. How we can find the magnitude of any given vector? By this formula. And we have to learn this formula and we directly use this formula. Okay, like that. Okay dear students, तो आज हमने टाइप्स ऑफ वेक्टर्स कंप्लीट कर लिया है. टाइप्स ऑफ वेक्टर्स में आज हमने लिया था यूनिट वेक्टर. Okay, and we have to complete the unit vector. Okay dear students, thank you.